Alright, so once all 6 shapes are drawn, you gotta turn these things in for grading. And here's kind of what I would recommend doing. So here I got 4 of the 6 drawings ready to go. Last 2, then I'll submit them all. Before you submit them, you gotta check for accuracy, make sure they are correct. You do that by going to the tool called Dimensions. Tools, Dimensions. If I hover over a line, it'll turn blue. I click and hold, drag and drop the measurement, and this is supposed to be 5 inches, and it is. So do 4 lines per shape. Hover, click, drag, drop. It says 7, go hover, click, drag, drop, and how about here? Hover, click, drag, drop. So do 4 of these per shape. That kind of proves that, hey, 2.5 tall, 3 wide. According to the plans, it's 2.5 tall and 3 wide. The shape is correct. So do all 6 of those shapes. It's 4 lines per. Okay. And zoom out a little bit. I can move things closer to make it not so spacey by, with the arrow tool, click a window around that shape so it turns blue. Use the move tool. I'm going to click on the shape to grab it and kind of bring it near and park it. I can use the arrow tool. If I don't grab the shape fully and try moving it, it'll stick to the screen. So I'm going to undo that. I gotta grab the entire shape. Like if I grab too much, I grab this whole shape plus part of another one and I move. It happens too. So just grab the shape you want to move and get it closer. So I'm going to move, get it closer. So you get all 6 shapes in a little cluster. Then because at school we run a Windows 10 computer, it's a keyboard steps to do a screenshot. So hold the Shift button down, hold the Windows button down, and press the letter S. That means screenshot. It's Shift plus the Windows, hit the letter S. I can do a full screen, I can draw my own, or rectangle. I'm picking the rectangle. I'm just going to click and then put all 6 shapes in a rectangle. This is like an edit copy. So copy that part of the screen, so now it's been copied. If I go to my Schoology document, which is this guy, and open the document up, it says add the shapes below. Okay, hit a return. Let's go edit and paste, and there they all are. I push submit. This time it is done.